Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is... Turn a fish. To view our What to Get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required.
Our friend Damien will help us pour the water into the glass.
Wow.
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible? Yeah! The science behind the experiment. The jar and water act like a lens, bending the light rays inward to a focal point, where the light rays come together. But the light continues past the focal point, and the rays pass each other. So the light that was on the left side is now on the right, and vice versa. That is why the fish changes directions. Huh?
Wow, that was exciting!
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day!
Bye!
Bye!
Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh! And you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.